Hello fellow friendlings. This video we are going to be attempting to make life-size cardboard cutouts of King and Queen of Daytime TV, Phillip, Schofield and Holly Willoughby. We are making Holly in the next video, so there'll be a part 2. Watch 2 tutorials on how to do this, so I'm hoping this will work because that will be wicked. So here's how we do it. Hello there, we are using rasterbator.com for this project. So you want to click on their website and then you get to the home page and then you want to click create your poster. So once you click that, you'll get a home screen that comes up that looks like this, hopefully, maybe, and you just want to fill all of that in with your photo, and once you've got that it should look like this. You're just filling your settings into whatever you want. We just chose these ones. I don't know what the other ones do, so yeah. That's just what our ones are. And then you want to submit it, then download it, and then you sort of like download the format, and then you get it into a big thing like this. It may look blurry, and the thing is, like, if it's ours was blurry, but it still looks alright, so I wouldn't worry too much. So we've now starting to print it out. So now we're just like checking out and printing out all of our snazzy business. Here he is on our dining table, because like everyone needs a Schofield on the dining table. Cheerio, Schofield. Hello there. It is the following morning. I actually stayed up till well past 1:30 last night, and it is currently 10:51. I did just get up probably about half an hour, 20 minutes ago. Am I a little bit tired? Yes, I'm a little bit tired. So, to start off our day counter. Hello, this is day 2. It is Sunday the 13th of June. And we've got paper from Phillip sitting on our dining table. So this seems to be a success. Here's all of his body bits on our studio floor, waiting to be sticked on. Good morning guys, it is 10:30. It is Monday the 14th of June. And yes, I am missing this morning, with a very reasonable explanation that I'm going out soon. Yes, this is the process so far. Haven't even started on Holly. I've got a bit of a predicament. Run out of glue and don't have any more, so can't stick any more on until we go out and get some glue later. So yeah, that's what it's looking like, same as last night. Hello, we've come back. We haven't got the glue sticks. We've got our friend Phillip down on the floor. Gonna go watch Thursdays this morning on catch up while sticking him together. Hello. I have finished sticking and gluing. His entire body is done. Got 2 random bits that seem to have gone missing in the process, and I have no clue where they've gone. One on his neck and one down on his arm. No clue where he's gone. But this is what he looks like.